They have the spirit. When you start to talk, it's there. But when you talk to the spirit, when the spirit comes together and works together with you, you don't want to sit down. She's like rubbing his head together. Because Daddy always asks me.
Stop it!
It's a long can fall.
Kaika, watch her. She's going to try to rub it again.
I know.
Go, Lucy.
Only 3 minutes left.
Lucy.
And I said, okay. 3 minutes left. Time to go. Then I was sitting on the
Lucy, look.
I take another 5 to 8 minutes.
So ugly, Lucy.
Oh.
Oh, look at those faces. Lucy! Lucy! Hey, Lucy! Lucy! Quack, quack! Say quack, quack! Quack, quack! Quack, quack! Heard it. Oh, the single lady. Oh, the single lady. Oh, the single lady. She's sweet. Like this, her mom. She like attention. Oh, the single lady. Oh, the single lady. Oh, the single lady. Now put your hands up. You got booger up your nose. Hey, get your hands up.
You can talk out in your
Eddie. Ellie.
Oh, I cannot sleep now. Oh, Sophie said, and my friends, they come and fill up the 2 o'clock time. Yeah, and they sing songs the whole night. Hey, I wake up. 2 for our son. Just come and chase him. Up, cross-eye.
And the police sit outside, and then after 10 o'clock, the police leave. I wake up, maybe 4 o'clock. You say, you like string? Well, yeah, okay, string some string. And then you come back maybe 6 or 5 o'clock, and then wake me up.
Come down, I saw one boy was sleeping over here about 5 o'clock.
No, it was 8 o'clock.
I wake up almost 8 o'clock inside. Everybody sleep inside the car.
The Island Harmony boys and the crow. They come and sing song and I wake up. Can you tell them to be quiet? The neighbor gonna call the
I
police.
tell, no, it's okay. You know, everybody over here, they strong, and then you, wow, wow, wow. And then I say, oh, they singing.
I can sing.
Yeah, and someone singing.
Mommy!
That's it.
Really? I know, right? We're gonna just...
Go there. Look there.
Exactly. Come back.
Not even getting anybody. Rachel, you better stop for my elbow's your eye. I'm gonna bite you.
No.
I'm telling my man,
You better.